Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel a Google Drive storage subscription. So for that, you have to just simply open up any of your browser on your PC or laptop. So after opening up any of your browser, you have to simply go to the search bar section. So here you have to simply search for one.google.com. So after searching for one.google.com, you have to simply open up the first website from the search bar. You guys can see here is the first website of the Google one. Simply open up this website. So after opening up the specific website, you guys have to just simply sign in with your account. You guys can be able to see here my account has already signed in. So what you have to do is just simply go to this setting button here. Just simply hit this setting button. So after hitting this setting button here, if you have already subscribed to the storage section, you guys can be able to see the subscription here. Just simply hit the subscription and simply hit the cancel button of that specific subscription. If you are unable to see the subscription button here, you guys can see I don't have subscription, so that's why I'm not able to see that specific subscription button here. So you have to simply go to the new tab and simply search for drive.google.com. So after searching for drive.google.com, simply open up that specific website of the Google. You guys can be able to see the specific drive has been opened to me. So here what I have to do is just simply go to the storage section. You guys can see I am using the free plan, but if you are using the paid plan, you guys can be able to see the storage of 100 GB or 1 TB. So after clicking on the storage, you have to simply click on that get more storage, and you guys can be able to see there are lots of package displaying here. You guys can see. So what I have to do is, if you have already purchased an package or an subscription, then Google will provide you that specific offer and subscription. Here you guys can just simply hit the cancel subscription on that specific offer, and you guys can in this way cancel the storage subscription on the Google Drive. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.